Why cybersecurity then? What was it that jogged your interest into cybersecurity?
My old role was very repetitive. And so it kind of got to a point where I'm not really learning anything anymore. And cyber is, ever changing and you're always having to learn new things all the time. So that was something I was really, really keen on. And also just the progression aspect of things as well, going with that, being especially a company like CyberCX, lots of room for movement, lots of growth. And also just like having a new challenge. That's something that really excites me. And I guess that kind of goes hand in hand with the learning. But yeah, definitely the things that drew me towards it.
And obviously as well, your partner, Zach, who was a career consultant here, he put you on to us. He was working for us and thought, hey, my partner actually could be interested in this. And so he came to you with that idea?
Yeah. It was really interesting because, I guess when you're kind of getting to that point when you're in a job and you just, it's, just the usual day to day and, it gets a bit dry at times. And he's kind of listening to me and listening to the people that he was speaking to. And he's like, oh my goodness, my love, why don't you like have a look into this, see what it's all about, it might be something that would be really good for you.
Yep.
And then I was like, oh, okay, kind of sparked the idea in my head. And yeah, I was like, well, this is ticking all the boxes of exactly what I want to do. So got out the shower one day. I was like, yeah, how do we do it? Let's go.
Also a really good fit for cybersecurity. Some of the traits that you've got, you're going to be really, really great within the industry. So it's exciting. And so also, which is exciting, you're our first ever student on our new platform. Not many people know this, but about 2 or 3 months ago, we transitioned off from our old, probably more so outdated platform, which we just found that some of the feedback that we're getting from students was it wasn't as engaging. So what we constantly always look at doing is upgrading our content, because content is very, very important when you're learning something. And so you're our first student on that new platform. And how are you enjoying that?
It's really, really fun having the whole like TV show host kind of dynamic. Yep. They are really funny. Like they, crack a joke every now and then, and it kind of catches you off guard. And it's, it is a really good time. It doesn't really feel like learning when they're, having a bit of a giggle and that sort of thing. So yeah, it's really, really good. I think it's definitely a good structure.
Oh, that's amazing. That's great to hear, because that was the feedback that we got. It can be a little bit on our old platform. You're going through some of the content